Black Friday is upon us, guys. And if you're looking for the perfect gift for less than $10 with free shipping, check this cable out. This is the Mfish cable, and it comes in a carrying case. This will charge all your devices. This right here, it has a lightning on it, USB-C. In the box part, you have a USB-A or a USB-C. Sturdy cable. It's not going to break. This is the last cable that you'll need for all your devices. Comes in a 3 foot, 6.5 foot, and a 10 foot. So you want to take advantage of this sale, free shipping and everything, click on that orange shopping cart below today and get yours.